Once again, welcome you all in online lecture of electrical machine design. And today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the designing of single phase shell type transformer. Basically, there are two types of the transformer. The one is the core type, and the second one is the shell type. In previous lecture, we have discussed about the designing of the core type transformer. Now, in this lecture, we will discuss about designing of shell type transformer. There is some difference between designing of the core type and shell type transformer. So let us discuss here. So first of all, let us see here. This is the view, cross view, as well as the vertical view, as well as horizontal view of the core type, sorry, shell type transformer. So in shell type transformer, basically there are two windows. How many windows are here? Two windows and three legs. This is the one leg, two leg, and three legs. The central, the width of the central leg is double of the this first and third leg. जो सेंट्रल लेग का जो सेंट्रल लेग जो होता है दैट इज उसकी जो विड्थ जो होती है दैट इज ट्वाइस ए होती है. तो सर लेट अस डिस्कस हियर. सो दिस इज व्हाट हियर. This is yoke. Upper part of this core is nothing but yoke. Upper part of the yoke core is nothing but yoke, and this is the window. You can see here this window. Okay. Now what we have to calculate, basically we have to calculate the two dimensions of this shell type transformer. So let us start here. यहाँ पे हमें सबसे पहले height निकालना है. Height, we have to calculate the height. The height formula for shell type and core type transformer is the same. So let us see here कि वो दोनों भी सेम क्यों होते हैं. तो चलो हम लोग सबसे पहले हम लोग देखते हैं. तो as we have to determine this distance, ये हमें ये डिस्टेंस हमें फाइंड आउट करना है यहाँ से यहाँ तक. तो यहाँ पे हमने इसको एच बोला है. दिस इज व्हाट हियर एच. नाउ डिवाइड दिस ऑल डिस्टेंस इन अप टू विंडो एंड आफ्टर विंडो. So from here to here, this distance is small a, that is a, or what you can say hy, height of yoke. Height of yoke equals to height of yoke equals to height of height of height of height of yoke equals to small a भी होता है. मैंने आप लोगों को पहले भी बताया था. So यहाँ से यहाँ तक ये हो गया. Then from this point to this point, to this point, this is nothing but what HW, height of window. Again, the height of yoke will be the same at upper side as well as lower side. If it is the HY, then it is also called as small a. तो ये भी क्या हो गया, small a हो गया. So from this diagram you can see here the capital H is nothing but what? Capital H is nothing but what? Small a. यहाँ से यहाँ तक जो distance है, small the distance this distance plus this distance plus यहाँ से यहाँ तक का distance और plus ये distance. How much? H, capital H equals to small a plus HW, height of window, plus again capital small a. Therefore, it is equals to twice a plus HW. ओके. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि हमने एच का जो फॉर्मूला है यहाँ पे बना लिया है. नाउ time to design the formula for width of window, sorry, width of core. So यहाँ पे width of core का formula हमें बनाना है. So it's a very easy, don't bother about all these things. So you can see here, now what I have to calculate? I have to calculate here this total distance. Capital W हमें यहाँ पे निकालना है. So let us start here. This distance is nothing but a WW. और ये भी डिस्टेंस क्या होता है? WW होता है. तो चलो हम लोग कैलकुलेट करने की कोशिश करते हैं यहाँ पे. I will change the color of pen and I will take here blue color. So my dear students, first this distance, ये जो blue color में दिया है ये small a है, मान लीजिए ये small है. Now here to here, here to here, that is WW. Then this distance is twice a plus यहाँ से यहाँ तक जो distance है, यहाँ से यहाँ तक जो distance है, that is WW. And again this distance is small a. So add all these things. तो क्या हो जाएगा? A यहाँ से यहाँ तक का जो डिस्टेंस है ये है, देन उसके बाद में प्लस यहाँ से यहाँ तक का डिस्टेंस WW है, दिस डिस्टेंस इज WW प्लस दिस डिस्टेंस इज twice a plus this distance is WW again, and this distance is small a. So by adding all these things, we will get one equation. We will get equations of the W, that is twice WW plus 4a. So this is the final formulas for height of window, height of yoke and width of yoke. Height of core and width of core. ये दो हमारे पास में formulas finally हो गए, यहाँ पे मिल गए. This is the final formulas. So now let us see a horizontal cross view. So the depth of coil or over winding is denoted by small b. The depth of coil is denoted by small b. So there are some different parameters. So let's discuss one by one. Depth of dy is nothing but depth of winding or coil, and that is denoted by small b. What is the hy? Hy is height of yoke. Height of yoke is equals to small a. So therefore the formula for width of core is equals to width of core, total main dimensions of width of the core is twice WW plus 4a, twice a. So my dear student, what we have to calculate? We have to calculate these two dimensions. यदि आप लोगों को न्यूमेरिकल में बोला जाएगा please determine the main dimensions of the single phase shell type transformer, then we have to calculate what? Capital H and capital W. I hope it is clear to all. Yes. If it is not clear, then you can ask any questions. It's a very both things are similar, but यहाँ पे WW जो है वो यहाँ पे simple दिया है, directly दिया है. But in core type transformer WW जो था उसका हमारा फॉर्मूला अलग था थोड़ा सा. यहाँ पे हमारे पास में डायरेक्टली फॉर्मूला है हमारे पास में. WW जो है वो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं है, बिकॉज यू कैन सी हियर एक्चुअली देयर आर द थ्री लिम्स एंड द सेंट्रल लिम्ब जो है उसकी जो विड्थ है वो ट्वाइस ए है. ओके तो यही डिफरेंस है. और बी जो होता है डेप्थ ऑफ कॉइल. ओके सो आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू ऑल. So how to calculate? I will tell you simple parameters how to calculate the number of tons and cross sectional area of the primary conductor and secondary conductor. So just wait 2 minutes. Okay. So first, how to calculate the number of turns of the primary winding? Primary winding की turns कैसे निकालना है वो आप लोगों को बताना चाहता हूं मैं. Yes, what is the formula of E? EMF का formula क्या होता है? EMF का formula होता है EMF is nothing but हम लोग assume करते हैं the EMF is nothing but a voltage, primary voltage और secondary voltage. Therefore, the formula for 4.44 F phi m into T. So if it is a primary equations, if it is a primary winding equation, then it is called as 4.44 F phi m into TP. So यहाँ पे देखिए मैं वोल्टेज पर टन करता हूँ, वोल्टेज पर टन दैट इज टन, यहाँ पे इसको ले लेता हूँ, टीपी को ले लेता हूँ यहाँ पे, तो दिस इक्वेशन बिकम व्हाट्स 80 हो जाएगा. क्या हो जाएगा ये 80. So that means what? This is one equations that is called as a voltage per turn equations. That means what? From the voltage per turn equation, you can calculate the number of turns. Primary winding के number हमें primary conductors के हमें primary winding के number of turns निकालना है, तो that will be a Vp by 80. That's a symbol. That's very simple. Similarly, we can calculate the number of turns of the secondary winding Vs by 80. So next point is how to calculate the cross sectional area of conductor of the primary winding and secondary winding. So let us assume here. Yes, what is the current density? Current density is equals to I by A. Suppose यहाँ पे मैं बोलूंगा कि current densities of primary winding is equals to current densities of primary winding is equals to IP by cross sectional area of primary conductor. For your kind information, the current densities for primary conductor and secondary conductors will be the same. There it is for only del. So from this equation, you can calculate the cross sectional area of the primary conductor. Cross sectional area of primary conductor can be calculated IP by only simple del, and similarly cross sectional area for cross-sectional area for secondary conductor will be a IS by del. But how to calculate the current? Current can be calculated by using the simple formula IP. The IP is nothing but primary current equals to divided by primary voltage. And similarly, you can calculate plus 3. The number is clear to all for watching this video.